Hey, this is Russell with the 460 EFI guys. This fellow's coming to pick this up first thing in the morning, and this is our stage 2 camshaft kit, our performance modified intake manifold, our low profile throttle body and headers, and then we also did Keith Black flat top pistons in here and 30 pound-hour injectors to keep up with it. And this thing is fast. It's got long legs and only a 3-speed tranny, but on the highway this thing screams. But let me start it up and pull it in. We got a shakedown suspension because he's getting a little bump steer and just want to check over steering for him. Oh, let me start this thing up. And his handle broke, so